This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to pair now? Make sure the LinkBuds S and their case have juice, and your iPhone's Bluetooth is on and visible. Once done, power on the earbuds and press and hold the pairing/power button until the status LED flashes white. That tells you the buds are in pairing mode. Keep the iPhone Bluetooth screen open so the new device appears quickly. This reduces delays and lets you tap to connect as soon as the LinkBuds S show up. On your iPhone, tap the LinkBuds S name under Other Devices. You'll see a pairing prompt. Accept it and allow any permission requests so full features work. Once paired, the device will move to My Devices and show Connected. Make sure Media Audio is enabled. Then install the Sony Headphones Connect app from the App Store to get firmware updates, customize EQ, and enable spatial or adaptive features. This step improves performance and explains why connection options behave differently. Finish by confirming the LinkBuds S appears in Control Center as the audio output, then test playback and adjust noise cancellation or ambient sound in the Sony app so levels suit your environment. Make sure auto switching or call audio preferences are set if you use multiple Apple devices. If pairing fails, forget the device in Bluetooth, fully power cycle, or reset the earbuds using the manufacturer reset procedure, and repeat pairing. This clears pairing caches and resolves most connection glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.